Hi, in this video I'm gonna be walking through how to display post from specific category in WordPress. So as you can see, this is my basic WordPress website and here's my menu, and now I want to add here a category, and under the category I want to display some specific post, and here's how to do it. First of all, log into your WordPress admin dashboard and come to this all post section. And now, first of all, make sure to create your post here and then go to categories. And now make sure to create categories here. Now we will add post into the specific category. So from this post section, just click on quick edit, and here you will find all categories. Go ahead and select the categories you want to add the post and click on update, and that's how. Go ahead and add categories. And now I want to display only these shoes categories post in my WordPress website. To do that, I'm going to appearance and just clicking on menus, and now we have to select the menu, which menu we want to edit, and then in this left hand menu under add menu items, click on categories, and these are my current menu items. Now I'm going to selecting shoes category from this list and just clicking on add to menu. And as you can see, the category add date. Now I'm clicking on save menu, and now going to my website and just reloading my site. And as you can see, the specific category add date to my menu. Now if I go to this category page, under this category page here, as you can see, all of my specific posts are showing. So that's how we can display post from specific category in WordPress. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.